If it's from Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. May mga magdi-discover na dyan eh. Jonella. Hingpit on the attack and Love able to produce something out of nothing. 16-14. Second technical timeout. Finds Perpetual ahead by 2. The score right now, 16-14. Perpetual up by 2 here in set number 2. They also up 1 set to nothing. Shakey's face of the day has been located. There she is. That is Kimberly Ann okay, I'll do it again. Valcarcel. Kimberly Ann Valcarcel. She is 20 years old from Novaliches. And she is our Shakey's face of the day. Nice retainers. At makakasagap yan ng mushroom at green pepper. Sa retainers.
I know. I had retainers before.
Paano niya kakainin yan ngayon? Love Hingpit. Changing pace on her serve. Set up for Mikmik. Mikmik has been quiet here in this set. Piatida has not been quiet. It's saved. Piatida tries to put it away. Boy, she's been very active in this game. Bautista, Werawan, Hingpit, Sartin. The point-size freedom goes cross-court. Here's Nene.
It's a
And that one goes out.
Well, I'd like to give credit to Joanna Botorcarpio for that one-hand dig.
Right. And I think the presence now of Joanna Botorcarpio, not to take anything away from Janet Serafica, but this is the more athletic of the two. She's the quicker, more athletic setter.
And more patient, actually.
And actually older. Here's Hingpit. The point-size phenom attacks. Quick set now. The Honey Rice Tubino.
That was a good kill by Tubino, who has also been very quiet. It has been the two Thai imports.
Wala man lang quick set masyado eh. So Tubino is able to get a rare point here in set number 2, but that is enough to give Perpetual a 2-point lead. Tubino now to serve. De Los Santos back in front. Here's Carpio, quick to Roses. Read there by Sandra. Prochina, another one to Roses. Read there by Sartin. And here is, oh, nice save there coming from Sandra. Sandra on the attack. Carpio. Nene, off the block. Oh, what a goal! Still alive! Carpio, push the he scores.
Easy does it from Mai Prochina.
Pero ito ng dig ni Tubino. Tingnan mo itong dig ni Tubino na to. Wow!
Ito ang last dish effort talaga.
Dinaan niya sa haba, pero in the end, Prochina says, nasan na kayo mga bata?
Diyan lang.
17-16, Perpetual still up by 1. Nice serve there coming from Nerissa Bautista. Back set na, Piatida off the check ball. Here's Prochina na check ball na, lakas pa rin. Oh, Cruzada able to get it across. Carpio now. Rosses! Oh! That save by Jonella was good. Hindi lang sinundan itong si Hingpit. That save by Jonella was good.
Well, Hingpit thought that Jonella did not get to it.
As long as hindi pa pumipito, look at this, ha? Hindi pa pumipito si Efren Gaa when this happened. It was good. It was a good serve. And it's right in front of Love Hingpit. Habang wala pang pito, buhay pa ang bola.
That's right.
17-all. Jonella. Hingpit. Sartin. Off the block. Buys enough time now for Carpio. To set up Prochina. Off the block. Piatida. Yes! And the Thai imports have been rewarding the diminutive Jonella for all of her efforts here. Look at this. Another massive dig here. Boom! She wasn't even in the frame a split second ago.
You really got to give credit to the heart. These Perpetual players, they're playing with a lot of heart. They're really going for everything.
Right. Piatida. Carpio in the air for Prochina. Dug up there by Hingpit. Sartin sets up with roll there for Prochina.
That's the Mai Prochina of old. She was really known for her blocking.
Well, she's very big. She's about 5'10". Tied at 18.
Well, she's showing everyone, all the young ones out there, that she can still read.
Oh, Sandra getting that through Roses, but Roses kept it alive. Here's Cruzada over everybody. Hingpit, Sartin, Werawan. Oh, Werawan gets it out the hands of Carpio.
Well, you know, Wirawan doesn't really care how many blockers go up against her. She's really just going to go for that kill.
And the nice thing being a rookie Thai import is you are oblivious to the greatness in front of you.
Exactly.
Hindi mo kilala kung sino si Joanna Botor-Carpio, sino si Zane Roses. For you, those are just people that you have to get the ball through. Roses, the denial is out though. Wirawan had a hand on that one, but it will not find the line.
Bumawi si Suzanne Roses.
Right, sabi ni Suzanne Roses, I am a multiple MVP. Roses now.
Good serve.
They go to Wirawan down the middle. Galido is there. Here's Carpio. Oh, Miknik missed that one. They go to Cruzado this time. Wirawan keeps it alive. Here's Hingpet. Quick set for Sandra. Nice read by Miknik.
Janela again.
It's alive. Oh, Miknik again. And now Sandra has to give up a free ball. Miknik. Carpio. They go to Cruzado in the open.
Well, Miknik Laborte reading that very well.
Now Laborte making her presence felt here. Navy has reclaimed the lead. The last time they led was at 6-5.
And you know what's funny? Laborte is doing it alone. Single blocking.
Right. Sandra, nice angle again. But it goes out. 21-19. Good time now for Mike Rafael to call a timeout as they are now down by 2.
Tanda niya, ang striker lang doon. Tanda niya, ang striker lang doon. Si Laborte lang. Ang talo ng hero doon, dalawang striker isa setter. Tapos si Laborte, tsaka si ano. Ha? Malitang blocker sa kanya. Ha?
Kailangan mo yun.
Ang malitang blocker sa kanya.
Yan mo, Fitz.
Tingnan mo, ay katulad mo. Ito, pagkakulat ng pasok. Pag sumuporta ka.
Hindi ko pa rin nakikita kung saan yung interpreter. Naintindihan pa nila Wirawan kung anong mangyari. Hey, but volleyball is a universal sport. So 21-19. Suzanne Roses to serve.
Well, Suzanne Roses stepping up for this Navy squad.
And Laborte here at the end game. Hingpet on the delay to Wirawan. That's off someone's hand. That's off Miknik actually. 21-20. Diesel na diesel talaga ito si Wirawan. She wasn't jumping that high in the first set. And now Sandra. Remember in the first set, she strung together a series of aces.
Oh, but
not happening now. Miknik. Nice save there by Piatina. Here's Carpio. Rosa sets the deck. Hingpet. Wirawan out of position. Has to go over. Galido put a hand on that one. One more time around on the free ball. Tubina naman. Here's Laborte. Cruzada. Piatita keeps it alive. Sartén sets up Wirawan.
Oh, good dig. Well, the girls from Philippine Navy also showing that they want to win this match.
Right. They're down a set. They want to tie things up right now. They're 3 points away from doing that. Cecil Cruzada. 22-20 Navy. Janela. Hingpet. Wirawan. Nobody home but Sartén able to get to it. Not in time for Tubina to get to the second ball rather. 23-20. A luxurious 3-point lead for Navy here at the end game.
You said it right, luxurious. And the beach volleyball teammates working together.
Right.
That's Nene Bautista and Mick Laborte.
Hingpet has to push. Oh, Hingpet scores again. Chapoga ang tawag doon, backbeat. Backbeat ang Navy doon. Jane Diaz will come in to replace Wirawan. We all know what Jane Diaz can do from the service area. But she is coming in cold off the bench. Seeing her first action, it's already the second set.
But we can see, you know, it's Sartén, Diaz, and Janela. These three players are very good receivers.
And very good also on the coverage. Diaz. Here's Carpio. Bautista snuffed out there by Hingpet. Oh!
She had the right thing in mind, though. Nobody went up the block, but she hit it wide.
Little over-aggression there coming from Mick Laborte or make that Joanna Botor Carpio. 23-20. Jane Diaz just has to keep her sets or her serves in. That was a gamble, but it paid off. Here's Bautista again, Janela. And Piatida. Diminutive one. Tied at 23, Nena Ibanez is aghast.
Atake lang to. Tatay. Huwag na natin ibigay sa kanila. Atin na to eh. Kaya ba kayo? Kunin nila yan. Tatay mo na. Tumala sa sumali.
Dinaan sa pagkasundalo. Ibibigay nyo ba yun sa kanila? Payag pa kayo. Ikaw mo naman tong Jonella is just playing superb defense. And Piatida says, diminutive one. You're at it again.
And I will not fail you. But, you know, Coach Nene was right. She's challenging her players, saying, are you gonna give up?
Kulang na lang. No, ma'am, no. Maririnig mo eh. Here's the reception by Roses. Nene, sniffed out again. Piatida! And Perpetual! Time out, Navy!
Guys, hindi pa lang tapos. Matay lang yan. Wala natin yan. Walang kusala. Walang bibita. Walang bibala. Kumala lang ha. Hindi naman nabawan mo yung backer ni. Kaya mo nabawan mo. Unahan mo sa taas. Sa partari ko na. At pagkabilang tayo.
What just happened here? It was 23-20 Navy. And now, because of Piatida and her aggression, it is now 24-23. Perpetual. Janet Serafica checks back into the game. Jane Diaz has been doing what she was sent in to do. She's actually been quite aggressive on her serve.
Exactly. And the Thai Express, Piatida and Wirawan really working hard for this squad.
Another nice one from Jane Diaz. Nene, slipped out again. That was in violation of Laporte. And look at this. The first two sets go to the Perpetual Lady Arcos against the Philippine Navy, who are on a 4-game winning streak. And the college girls are spanking the Lady Sailors at this point. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play.
Well, Perpetual really playing as if there is no tomorrow.
And Piatida guarantees that they take set number 2.